Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. Guys, it's finally time. I am beaming with joy at the moment because I can feel the impending beauty of the next few months. Why the markets are in our advantage. Shall we begin? Am I correct? Nothing has happened so far since this is the behavior of Smiley Capital during a genuine bull market. So, this is something that we can observe closely. This is what occurs if you guys have never been in a bull run before. Okay, so far, nothing has happened, and still, everyone is freaking out. Which Smiley Capital should I use? It seems like you folks have no idea what a real bull market looks like. The price of every cryptocurrency listed on a centralized exchange goes up by 5 to 50% every day. The traders rotate the coins constantly for 3 to 5 days, then there's a 24-hour correction, and then the trading resumes for months. Not for a day, but for months, it continues. Thousands upon thousands, putting 8 figures into yield with each harvest. The entire market is paralyzed as Bitcoin rallies so hard, causing Ponzi schemes to pop up. However, alts abruptly begin to soar through the roof, right and tear now, at first hand or at first indication of consolidation. Following the face melting, Bitcoin consolidates. When it rebounds, open interest and funding are reset. As derivatives cool off sideways, one can't help but wonder if the price is real. Area Tom Masters, would you like me to call bull and get back to work soon? Thus, everything boils down to these individuals on the far right. As soon as Bitcoin reaches new heights, whether it's consolidation or new heights, we'll be jumping on the bandwagon, and that goes double for all coins. You will say, oh my, wait, Ethereum is acting like a $100 million market cap, right? When Bitcoin finishes, and Ethereum pulls an even greater rebound after that. Taking it easy. On the other hand, it's certainly not. I thought it was billions? Everything in it. Quite large. The reason behind this is the influx of funds, everyone. Coins begin experiencing weeks or months of cruel moves, doesn't it? It brings the entire market up with it. There is one catch, though, these are just temporary fixes. Individuals to eliminate leverage and similar concepts. After then, it's time to resume. Meanwhile, your spot bags can include anything from watches and boats to planes and houses, and who knows, some of you might even be eyeing islands and super yachts as potential purchases, huh? This decade will see the birth of millions of millionaires, billionaires, and perhaps even trillionaires. I repeat, this is in no way a recommendation for a financial advisor. I appreciate it. You must be insane if you believe for even a second that you could think of a reasonable explanation. We won't see anything like that for at least a few months. There must be cycles at work, right? Patterns tend to recur, I suppose. Keep in mind that the potential for loss is only 50% to 70%. No way. Very much so. On the bright side, you'll have wealth that lasts generations, and everyone will be envious of you, won't they? Hold on tight, because it's on the way. Indeed, nothing has changed this time. Guys, you gotta be careful with the coins you invest in, because a lot of us will sell them and dump them on you instead. We can skip that since we'll just dump all those tourists on the top men, can't we? The customers who walk in, and that forms their access point to the cryptocurrency realm. This isn't financial advice, so repeat after me, close your eyes and picture it happening. It appears to be happening already. Wow, I'm thrilled. My word. My cheeks are turning red. It is unbelievable to me. The XY, the US dollar index, hits its lowest point of the year. Hold on a second, everyone. The dollar is essentially dying. It is unbelievable to me. I was hoping for this, guys. Do you understand my wish? Excuse me? I will provide an explanation shortly. Every time we broke support, it fell, so this is $1 each month, people. Is that what's coming up next? Because it just did it and came crashing down. My objective is this. I made this quite clear many years ago. Right now, I'm aiming for approximately 97, but my secondary objective is to get to 94. 90 men, isn't that correct? That is, from 94 to 85. Listen up, fellas. By the way, if this materializes, it will provide the cryptocurrency and stock markets with an immense amount of gasoline, causing a wild surge. Hey, dudes? An equilateral parabola. I thought that was also the direction Mr. Poole had pointed. You can count on it. If this does happen, why, guys? The dollar looks just like this, you guys. The global money supply, often known as M2, has recently broken resistance and is likely to continue pumping in that direction. It appears like a massive injection of liquidity is about to take place, and I don't know what it means for the rest of you. Upon impact. Has impacted every cryptocurrency market, correct? Everything will be alright. From ash, they will, in fact, rise. I thought the global supply of empty cryptocurrency had hit fresh all-time highs. On each occasion, it has eclipsed the previous record high. A bull run in Bitcoin prices has begun. Looking at it, you'll see that no one is phoning, thus it's bound to happen in 2016 or 2020. We were the first to call it that, and I still consider this to be the road I should follow because it is one that I believe in and can see ahead of me. I think a recession will hit before this phase, the mini build top, comes in. But this mini build top will be enormous, you guys. This is going to be the most insane, demonic rally we have ever seen when the recession is gone. Forever and a day. No. However, I have the impression that everyone will leave too soon, or at least too early. Though this is guidance on money matters. When the dust settles. The money supply is not now breaching new heights. Okay, but this is the interesting part, Bitcoin always, Hey everyone, did you hear that the money supply has soared to new heights? Remember when moonshots were the only way Bitcoin's price could go? At this very moment, it occurred once more. It took a long time. It took a long time. This will also take a long time, perhaps till 26, there is a peak. Are you all prepared? Because it's going uphill fast. The viewer's presence here is greatly appreciated. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.